The changing face of Facebook. There are currently over 500 million users who use Facebook to share, connect, and communicate, and over half of them use it daily. Whether you want to attract local users or global customers, businesses have never had a more effective marketing medium. Facebook is the word of mouth of the 21st century. The average U.S. Internet user spends more time on Facebook than on Google, Yahoo, YouTube, Microsoft, Wikipedia, and Amazon combined. Such stats point to a large base of prospects virtually available under one roof, not to mention the room is only getting bigger. Can your business afford to miss the exposure that 500 million friends brings to its doorstep? Facebook allows you to go the extra mile that conventional mediums can't take you to by reaching out to people you know or would like to know while sharing information in all forms is immediate, passive, viral, and costs nothing. It must be added that Facebook has gone through many changes itself and has changed fortunes of businesses. More changes to Facebook are on the horizon. So, are you in the room, meeting customers and prospects where they really are? Are you prepared to meet the challenges of creating and maintaining a strong Facebook presence for your business? We are. We make sure your presence is dynamic and passes Facebook guidelines to ensure maximum exposure for your business now and in the future. Change is coming. Be prepared. Call today.